Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Domino's store on the app. First, ensure you have the Domino's app open on your mobile device. You will typically see your currently selected store's name, often at the top of the screen. This is where we will begin our process to pick a different location. It is a very straightforward step. Let us make sure you are ready to find your perfect pizza place. Once you have located your current store name, gently tap on it. This action will open a new menu or screen specifically designed for managing your store location. You will see options like My Stores or Change Store appear, allowing you to move forward. This screen provides direct access to all the tools you need to find and select a new Domino's, making the process simple and quick to navigate. On this new location screen, you will find a clear search bar. This is where you can type in the address or a 5-digit zip code for the new area where you wish to order. For example, you might type in 123 Main Street or 90210. Providing a precise location helps the app find the closest and most relevant Domino's stores to serve you. Take your time to enter the details correctly for optimal results. After you enter your search details, the app will display a list of Domino's stores near that location. Browse through these options and tap on the exact store that you prefer to use. Once you select it, the app will typically show a confirmation or automatically update your home screen with the new store's details. You might see a button that says Order Here or Start Order appear clearly, indicating your new selection is active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.